I worked on this formula for over 2.5 years, so I was eating and dreaming curl. It was really developed to honour everybody with textured hair that can be frizzy, curly, wavy. However, don't be confused by the word curl, because it is equally as good blow dried into Asian and Indian hair, which is straight. So I like to think of the Curl Revive most definitely for curl. All types of natural hair when you're air drying, you won't find better. And then if you're blow drying, you can blow dry this into all hair textures. So if you're blow drying, say for example, curl has had a keratin treatment, she's removed all the curl, it's perfect to come along with this. Curl Revive is like the finishing serum on steroids, let's say. This is a weightier serum and delivers like a cashmere effect to the hair. Has a little more weight. The finishing serum is a silkier, lighter serum. Both are heat protection, UV protection, color fade protection, and protection against humidity.